Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We are prepared to reimpose the restrictions. That warning from the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, should the COVID-19 situation get out of control in the next few months. The minister's response follows yesterday's relaxed restrictions announced by the Prime Minister. Dwayne Anderson reports.
Face-to-face parties, sports events, and shorter curfew times. All part of the relaxed COVID-19 restrictions announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Tuesday. But with the larger numbers of people expected to gather in the same place, won't this lead to a spike in COVID-19 cases? The Health Minister admits the cases could surge, which is why the Andrew Holness-led administration is prepared to shut down certain sectors again if things get out of hand.
We have to ensure that we recognize any trend, even gradual ones, that are suggesting an uptick in positivity rate, in hospitalization and so on, and signal that very early to our policy, to the policymakers, to the country, and to, if necessary, pull back the levers so that we can minimize any significant fallout.
Dr. Tufton says the decision to relax the measures was made after considering the state of the economy and the health sector. And speaking of the health system, the minister said the authorities will begin examining ways of getting health workers recharged and rested for the possibility of a surge in the coming months.
There are some very specific things that I think needs to be done. For starters, the public health infrastructure, including personnel, I think are tired or fatigued, and we should attempt to find a way to provide for them a little bit of rest, at least over the next month or so, even though there's still a lot of work to be done. I don't mean we're shutting down. That's clearly not possible. I think we have to find ways to encourage, to motivate, and give support at all levels of the society, because they've really been at it for a long time.
The authorities, in the meantime, have signaled a plan to heighten surveillance at the community level by doing more COVID-19 tests to find trends that may point to a potential surge in COVID-19 cases over the coming months. Jamaicans are also being told to use the time to get the vaccine when the doses become available. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.